Oh, welcome back to the Steve Robb Show. Today I'm going to show you how I built this. This is my own kind of learning experience. When I first started welding, had to be well over 30 years ago, and this is a special request for a buddy of mine, and we're going to get into it right now. And I'm going to tell you right off the bat, I got this out of a book. Guys, I don't know if anybody reads books anymore, but you guys recognize this. This has to be 35, 40 years old. And that's what I used to do it with. And this is it right here. And oh yeah, there's the guy, see? There we go. So we got Wally's Place 66. So, and that's from the vid from December the 14th. I was talking to Wally in the comments there, and he's seen this when I was talking about my diesel heater and my electric heater right here. And he said I wouldn't mind taking a look at that. So I said, okay. So this is it right here, and here's the plans on 2 pages. I'll take a photograph of this and I'll put them at the back. So if you guys are interested in building something like this, well then, just go right at her. Because you know what? When I first started welding, I did this all with a stick welder, and it turned out great. I've been using it all these years, and it's been flawless. So let's just take a little look at it here first, but I just thought I'd show you some of the little tools that I've made, like little jigs that I made. This one right here, you just put like you can put like your socket on top, you know, to press out different things. And all it is an old ratchet drive that's welded in there. And that's very simple. And this one here, this is just for making bends in steel. And these all go into this chuck right here. They all go into here. I'll show you this right here. It's just a little set screw. You can take it out. And this one here I got just for bending steel. And I made this little jig here. You know, and you got to have some kind of a platform. So, and this here is a special press. This is a Robinson Automotive ball joint, not ball joint, universal joint. There, it's right on there. Don't get no easier than that, does it? And I use this all the time in here, and it works out terrific. But yeah, it's very simple. And guys, you know, I'll show you here. I got like a little. This is just like an old piece of pipe, guys, and I just narrowed it down and just tighten up your bottle jack. And guys, you can just press this away like there's no tomorrow. And of course, I'll show you here so you can get a better example of what's going on. Is the fulcrum is so powerful on this that you can pump away for a long time, and the end here will not move that much, but it's got a lot of power. And also, you can take out the pin and swing this whole head over and use it manually. You know, like with a bar, and inside of here I got a little see, I got another pipe in there, and you can just use it manually instead of using the bottle jack. But for a lot of stuff like universal joints, you know, bearings and that kind of stuff, yeah, you need a lot of power, and you're going to need the bottle jack. And this here is a I believe this is a 9-ton jack. And I built most of this stuff just from scrap pieces I had around, but I'll take you off the camera and I'll give you a better view of what it looks like. And you guys can make this too. Okay, I've taken all the pieces off here so you can get a better idea. And guys, this is real simple. You know, you're not going to get that sticker with it either. That's a custom sticker. And you can see how this is made. And guys, it's very simple to do. And it's square. Like everything in here is square, and it's simple, and it's easy to weld up. And guys, I think anybody with a little bit of skill at all can do one of these. And I just got this spring here from Princess Auto, and yeah, they're easy to find. Like all these parts are easy to find. I just welded on a little eyelet here, you know. And guys, this is just a terrific unit to make, and a nice little thing that you can make during the winter time as a hobby, and it'll last you a lifetime like it has me. Now you can see here that you have different locations where you can put your pin in to get a different throw on your fulcrum. You just take this out, and guys, this is the ideal setup. Has to be a 50-year-old design, but you know what? Sometimes 50-year-old stuff is 50 years good. Well, I hope you like that. It's a nice, you know, project to do, and I think really, guys, most people could handle this. Yeah, you're going to have some tools to cut these pieces off, but sometimes, you know, you go to a lot of these steel places where you buy your steel and they will pre-cut all this stuff for you. Just give them a cut-off list, and I'll show in the book here, you know, the pictures at the end here, so if you want, you can see exactly how this is all done. And I only went by these instructions, so I think everybody else can. So I will put a link down below for Wally's Place 66 for suggesting this vid to me. Thank you very much, Wally. And you guys check out Wally's Place. And that's pretty well it, guys. Thanks for joining me here today. And as my girlfriend from Pennsylvania says, get out there, ride a horse, ride a cowboy, ride something. See ya.